Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Christian. So today I am here again with a new video working with list in a Python. Let us start the video without wasting time.
What is list? List are container used to store any type of value. The value can be a number value, can be a string value enclosed in double inverted comma or single inverted comma, or a decimal value. A list is always mutable. All the element of the list can be changed at any time. A list can be created using square brackets. Each elements of list are separated by comma. The element of list are separated by comma. Let us have a demo. To create a list, I have taken a simple variable called as a lst. Now, in this variable, I want to assign all the value of list. I'll use a assignment operator. Now, all the values are enclosed in square bracket. I need a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, I can add any number of values. They can be similar value or mixed value. This is an example of whole number value separated by comma. Next value, example of float value or decimal value separated by comma. Another type of value, string value or character value enclosed in single inverted comma or double inverted comma. These all are called as a element of the list. So it is very easy to create any kind of list with mixed element and unique elements. Let us see some samples. In sample number 1, all the values are whole number value. So they are int members. Sample number 2, there are no element. It is an empty list. Sample number 3, all the elements are separated by comma and having inverted comma, single inverted comma. They all are string members. If a value is written in number enclosed in single or double inverted comma, treated as a string value. In sample number 4, all the values are decimal value or float value. In the last sample, I am having all the mixed value, whole number value, character value and decimal value. Types of list. There are 3 types of list. Number 1, empty list. A list with no element is called as a empty list. See the example. A is equal to empty square bracket. There are no element. Example number 2, A is equal to list empty brackets. So this is an example of empty list who don't have any element inside the square bracket. Number 2, long list. A list which contain many elements called as a long list. See example, there are many elements are there in a single list. So this type of list are called as a long list. Number 3, this is called as a nested list. If a list element have itself another list, it is called as a nested list. See the example, 3, 4, 1 more list with 5, 6, 7 and square bracket close. This type of list are known as nested list. To deal with such type of list, we have to be very much careful while counting the number of elements. The nested element is treated as a single element, and remaining elements separated by comma are also treated as a single elements. So if I will ask you, what is the length of the given example list? Here the list length is only 5, but it containing 7 elements. But you have to remember, in nested list the nested item is treated as only one element. So the 5, 6, 7 is treated as a single element.